Yeah, basically Recombee was ticking all the boxes that we had in terms of requirements. So it was easy to implement. It was near real time. It had an admin panel, or it has an admin panel to allow us to boost or reduce the visibility of certain content. It's usable online and offline. So in the future, we could potentially also use it for something like a newsletter. It has certain level of reporting related to the model itself. And also very important, it was within our budget. Pepper is the world's largest shopping community. And basically people go to our site to share deals they found online and offline. They then vote on them to actually indicate if they're actually good deals. And they also comment on them to leave their shopping advice and any tips and tricks they have. But the vast majority of people that come to our site are actually the ones consuming this content. They're looking to find interesting products to buy, and they're looking for the shopping advice they can read on. Yeah, so what I just described, so most people are actually coming to our site to consume the content, but we have way more content than people are usually consuming when they visit our site. So we wanted to find something that allows us to only show the most interesting content to them, let's say the top 20, 40 or 60 deals related to each person. And we could already see with that one that it was driving impact. We were actually able to increase the clickouts from this content that we were showing to users. But we wanted to add more events into the model, and we also wanted to make it near real time. And then we had to anyway rebuild the model. And at that time we were thinking if we should do it again internally or maybe this time externally, and then Recombee popped up in our research. It's very nice to have this admin panel where we can actually boost or lower the visibility of certain content, and where we can try out things without needing own development in-house. So for example, recently we were running a test to see if it's better to show a shorter time frame of deals, so only deals of the last 2 days, or deals of the whole last week. And being able to do this independently and just when we have ideas, running A/B tests quickly, it's just super nice. Yeah, the model we're using is now optimized to improve clickouts. As for us, this is the KPI. This is telling us the user has actually found more interesting content, because if they have found something they're interested in, then they make a click out to look at this product on the merchant website, basically. And yeah, we were actually able to increase those clickouts on web by 21% and on app by 6%. I would say the most significant uplifts in terms of what we could see. But also, as I mentioned, the flexibility that we now have in terms of lowering and boosting visibility of certain content is very nice. Also in relation to our partnerships that we have with certain merchants. That was helping us quite a bit.